Everybody, David King here with Howard Hanna, and I'm at my newest listing of 7651 Maple Ridge Court in Clarkston. I'm going to do a quick home tour for you. So here we are at the front door. Let's head on inside. Greeted by a beautiful foyer, and she's already got her tree up here. Look at the size of this thing, and it doesn't even take up the whole entryway here. Beautiful entry, large area. Got a first floor office right off the door, and walk in here real quickly. Beautiful space to do your work from home, and good view of the front. The shutter blinds there with additional light up above. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout, and those were redone here within the last year. Beautiful work done by one of my favorite workers, Steve Russell. So if you need anything done hardwood-wise, reach out to him. If you need his contact information, let me know. But here's the front formal living room, complete with fireplace. There's a little bit of a bay window over there overlooking the side yard. And we've got some beautiful pillars, full-size nutcracker here. It's bigger than I am, so that's a good size. We've got the first floor formal dining room. This table is huge. Overlooking the backyard and the side yard here. Really a beautiful spot to host any occasion, but beautiful dining area here. We're going to come off here into we've got the butler's pantry area here, as well as an actual pantry, walk-in pantry with pull-out drawers, extra light in there. Really, really nice spot. And then we've got our kitchen with a beautiful island, and see just beautiful countertops, all brand new Thermador appliances. That is a Viking hood, but they've got a Thermador downstairs that you could replace it with, brand new one. And just a gorgeous view of the backyard, the beautiful Michigan fall day here. And again, looking this direction, we've got the large refrigerator and a lot of cabinet space here. And what's really cool is here in this island, it has two drawer refrigerators. So not only do you have that big one over there, you've got them inside the island. And then we've got a little bit of a dining breakfast nook area, again overlooking the backyard with the door that heads out to the patio. Desk area here. I'm set up for a open house, so those are what those treats are for. Then here's the family room, a formal family room here on the main floor. Got a full-size tree, doesn't take up that much space in this room. It's beautiful with the fireplace, and again, you see the hardwood floors throughout the whole thing. Built-in shelving and bookcases, which adds for a nice touch. And then off of that, we have this Three Seasons room. Walk in here, and this has baseboard heat in here, as well as access to that double-sided fireplace. There it is. And we've also got just opportunities here to go outside, out to the patio. A really beautiful space, cozy space on a cold fall or winter evening. And very, very beautiful opportunity here. So we'll keep moving, and I'm going to head from that room over here. I'd show you the mud room and the garage, but that mud room does have a doggy bath. You hear the dogs are in there, so we're not going to go in there. But huge closets right here off the entryway. There's additional storage in that mud room. First floor powder room, not immediately off the kitchen, but around the corner, very centrally located in the house. Great for guests. So we're going to head upstairs, and I'll take you up these stairs here. Long hallway. We've got 4 bedrooms up here, and we're going to take a look. This is the primary suite. That is a king-size bed, in case you're curious, and there's still a lot of space here. Got the tray ceiling, or the vaulted ceiling, whichever way you want to call it. And then walk this way, pocket door blocking off the his and her walk-in closets. That is what I said. His walk-in closet and her walk-in closet. Two of them, and they're huge. Plenty of space here. And then got the beautiful primary bathroom here. Double sink, soak tub, overlooks the backyard. That is a toilet room through that door. And then a huge, huge walk-in shower. So that's available here as well. Head on out. And the windows in this room overlook the backyard. Go across the hall to the first of the, we'll call the kid bedrooms. That is, I believe, a queen size, possibly king, maybe it's a queen. Queen size bed here. Has a swing, has this bench overlooking the front. It has a walk-in closet as well, which is pretty nice. And then it has, this is overlooking the front. This has the Jack and Jill full bathroom, so double sink here, and then a toilet and shower room over here. This leads to the second upstairs kid bedroom. Here's that. Got a double closet. Does have the molding up at the top and a crown molding there. So not mold, but crown molding. So this again overlooks the front. We'll back out into the hallway. You can see that looks heading toward the staircase. Here's the fourth bedroom, or the third kids bedroom up here. This one's, I'd say, the smallest of the three, but still does have a large double closet, as well as a large ensuite walk-in shower, as well as an additional closet here for linens and other things like that. So we'll keep moving. So we head down this way. We're going to turn right, head to the upstairs laundry room. So this is on the same level as the bedrooms, which is nice. Don't have to take the clothes downstairs. So it does have an additional storage there. And then we're going to walk through here. In this, it's kind of a hidden room. This is a family room up above the garage, and it is enormous. That is a large sectional couch. There is additional storage here off to the side, and then they have their workout area over here, as you can see. So, workout area. This is overlooking the side yard, and there you go. So I'm going to head my way back this direction. And we'll down there. Sorry for the shaking. We'll go down the stairs. And we're going to go down to the basement, which is a walkout basement. Make sure. So we'll head down there real quickly. Down this door, off the kind of pass through between the foyer and the kitchen. And we'll go down the stairs here. They are carpeted. Down here has vinyl flooring. So an additional entertainment space, family room, whatever you want to call this, as well as a fireplace. That is just the electrical panel and the switchover for the full house generator, which this does have. Additional entertainment space. When they bought the home, there was a pool table here, so there's that available. There's also opportunity over here. Get a pool table, ping pong, things like that. Then door wall that leads out to the backyard patio, the lower patio. There are two, one down here and then one up off the dining room. Then we've got a lower level bedroom. This one, window to the backyard, closet, and then another closet over here. And then an attached full bathroom, pass-through bathroom with full shower. And this connects to the other side, so if you have guests downstairs, they can use the restroom here and don't have to go anywhere else. This room, I'm not going to open that, but that is the storage, that's the furnace room. That's where everything is for utilities. So this is a beautiful home, and these sellers have loved the home. The only reason they're moving is a job transfer, and they would love to stay here, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do, and that's the scenario here. So if you have any questions, give me a call at 248-605-1281. Be happy to let you know what's going on and give you an opportunity to potentially buy or see this beautiful home. Hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon.